this is Gabriel the Destroyer, and I did get good lighting, yay! And I'm going to show you my weird noise, and I mean, literally, I have no, video editing, software, so anyway, it's not like an artificial noise, so anyway, it's called my weird noise. It sounds really weird if you haven't slow motion. I've done it on my friends and cousins Snapchat. It sounds really weird. Well, anyway. So yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I can also do it with my mouth closed.